Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods. Okay, so first we need to open up the settings, then keep scrolling down until you find Accounts and Backup, and in here we can create a backup using Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, or the Samsung Smart Switch. Maybe let's begin with the Samsung Cloud first. You gotta click on Backup Data. If you want to use this method, you need to be signed into your Samsung account. If you don't have the account, you can create it completely for free. But from what I can see, the Samsung Cloud needs to update first. That's the thing that usually happens, so we gotta wait, but it shouldn't take much time. Okay, now from the list, select what things you want to backup. In my case, I want to save the contacts, the settings, home screen settings, but without, I would like it without apps. Okay, I'm about to skip it. I'll pick clock, messages, call logs, calendar, and that's all. If you have selected everything that you want, simply hit Backup Now button. The process will begin. In my case, it won't take that long because I didn't select apps. And now we can see the sentence all data backup, click on done. And now everything is safely stored in our Samsung Cloud. And for example, if you want to restore the data on your different Samsung device, all you gotta do is to sign in into the same Samsung account and you'll be able to restore that data. And even on this device, for example, after the reset, you can click on restore data and you'll be able to restore that data. Okay, next method is the Google Drive backup. Simply click on that, and we also need to sign in to a Google account if we are not signed in yet. So let me quickly do it. First, type your mail. Then click on next. And now we'll have to type the password. Right now, but I'll do it off camera. Then click on next. Next. Agree. Okay, now our account will be added, and now, and when you have both photos and videos and other device data, you need to enable them, then hit on confirm. And now we have the backup details. If something is still not turned on, for example, in my case, the Google Photos, and I need to update them from what I can see. So let's quickly do it. Okay, photos and videos, and we gotta enable the backup right in here. Now, in here also click on Let's Go back to the main page. Okay, and now, when you have other device data, of course it also needs to be turned on, and in here you can check into which Google account you're currently signed into. Down below, select what things you want to backup, including the app data, and to create a backup, go back, and simply hit this green button, Backup Now. The whole process will begin. Also, you need to have enough storage space. If you don't have enough, you just gotta click on Other Device Data. You'll see how much available space you have. And then, if you don't have enough, you'll have to click on Clear Data or Get Storage to simply make enough space. Now, in here, a circle has appeared, and it's fulfilling. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So now, basically, we need to keep waiting until this circle disappears. So let's wait. Okay, everything is okay. We could see that sentence, your data is backed, so everything worked. So that was the second method. Now, when it comes to the smart switch, let's skip the transfer data for device setup because, this method is used for bringing the data to set up our device. So for now, let's skip it and let's stick to external storage transfer. Click on agree. First, the smart switch app needs to be downloaded. It will be done automatically in the background. Okay, it has disappeared, so I think that it will work now. Tap on external storage transfer. You also need to be signed into your Samsung account, of course. Click on more and allow. And now we want to back up our data. So hit this icon, the SD card icon. And now we need to insert an SD card to our phone or connect a USB storage device. In my case, I have an SD card inserted to a USB-C adapter. If you have normal SD card, you need to open up the SIM card tray and then insert the SD card. I'm about to use this adapter. It should appear in here. Actually, it doesn't, so let me do it again. Maybe it will work now. Or you know what? I'm about to change the SD card. Okay, I have switched the SD card and now it has appeared. We gotta click on backup to, in my case, USB storage. Now it will scan for the data. So we gotta keep waiting. And now select what you want to backup. You can select everything, just calls, contacts and messages. Or if you click on custom and then next, you'll be able to manually select what things you want to backup. In my case, I will select just calls, contacts and messages, so it won't take that long, thanks to that. Okay, tap the button. And now the process has started. And again, in my case, it won't take long because I have selected only contacts and messages. Okay, we have the backup results. And then I click on next. Done. And now everything has been successfully backup. We can unplug the adapter, or we can open the SIM card tray and remove your SD card, because the whole process has just finished. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.